Stop, Fabio!
I just wanna hug you for real.
Fabio, stop!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Hi! Why am I so zoomed in? Put it away from me, this camera. Too close.
Is it?
Yes, because then you tell me to stand up straight. Look how I am.
Fabio, you don't
I'm
even...
standing up
You don't
straight.
even say it like that. See, now you don't want to kiss me.
So you're like a chicken leg.
Where's my tea?
Oh, pour me some wine since you're already going.
No.
Please, a glass of wine, please. Yani, I can't record without it. Where's your
tea?
Oh my god, you're so slow. Hey guys, welcome to a new segment of this channel. Wine with Fabio.
Wine and
No, it's just my segment. Like you're not in it. Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani and we're back with another video.
Hi guys! Today's video we are watching the Visayas version, or the Visayas part, the part 2 of CATRIONA Gray's explanation for her joining.
national costume.
We don't know if it's national costume anymore. Maybe it is. I just thought it's a weird timing. She should have uploaded these before the national costume.
I know.
Earlier, but I don't know.
That's okay. That's fine. We still want to know all the parts that are going into this costume.
Watch out though, because people warned me that it could be tear-jerker, emotional video.
Oh, it's fine because I have cried all my tears already for this lifetime. So I'm done.
I wanna know what love is. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you would like more Miss Universe CATRIONA Gray reaction, update, fun videos like this. And please check out our Instagram as well. Follow us there. We post a lot of beautiful pictures, I think.
Yes, all tagged by me. I mean,
we also have a Facebook page. Go follow us there. Like us there.
thank you.
Anyway, so I'm so excited. I just want to add that I'm loving this video because it's kind of like I'm introducing Fabio to my culture. He went to Philippines without me, and I was kind of sad about it because I wanted to introduce Philippines to him.
I met them already.
So this is nice that he kind of sees the culture. So this is the second region. This is in the middle, Visayas. So
Do it in gay lingo is the verse. Manila is the top,
yes.
then the verse, and then
Also, that's why there's so many gays in the Philippines.
so many.
Wow.
So many.
Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Oh,
Oh wow.
Hurricane.
That's not what I was expecting. Is this the video?
is this rain? Oh my goodness.
Nasa loob pa rin po ng Pilipinas ang Super Typhoon Yolanda.
Is that where you're from?
No, that's not the region I'm from. Oh my gosh.
5 years ago, Typhoon Yolanda devastated Tacloban and its surrounding areas, taking more than 20,000 lives and leaving its survivors with immeasurable loss.
Wow.
When everything you love has been ripped from you, what allows you to stand back up and face another day?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
This is Philippines.
The Philippines.
Oh, it's nice that she also featured the devastating news, not just the fun,
Yeah.
nice culture.
Survivors and warriors.
So it's nice that she's showing this to the world. There's hope.
It's so easy to label our nation as resilient and strong, but what does that actually look like?
Oh,
That's true.
Nice.
It surprised so many other people around the world. Bakit nakabalik ka agad? Now, this is part of our historical process. We always, for every disaster, we always stood up.
Yeah. We always like to help.
So I met this young girl named Catalina, and to think that she's just a year younger than me.
Look, she has the same background as us.
She's seen, the things that she's lived through. I couldn't imagine myself in her shoes.
Oh my God, look at her.
kind
She's so
eyes
pretty.
and easy smile, you never imagine
Wow.
what she's had to live through.
I'm Catalina Natat ko. Both of my parents, hindi na ko nakita yung kuya ko, tapos yung asawa ng ate ko.
Oh wow.
Did you understand that?
She said that everyone died.
Yeah,
Like her
nobody
parent-
found the body.
Oh my god.
Like, that's the worst. Oh my gosh.
Doon po ako kumapit sa puno niyo. So naanod ako.
Oh my
She
goodness.
said she held on to
3
the...
hours po.
She was drifted away.
Yun po yata yung
3
definition
hours.
ng zero visibility. Wala ka pong makikita. My life is a blessing, diba?
Wow.
Hindi ko pwedeng isipin na, bakit nawala yung parents ko, I have to kill myself. Because maybe they saved me. Parang they sacrificed themselves para ma-save ako. So
Oh
I
my
have to
gosh.
keep going.
Oh my god. That's
Oh
a
my gosh.
terrible
Losing a
story.
loved one is, yes, it's very painful. Masakit.
It's the worst.
Pero, hindi naman ibig sabihin na mawawala din yung pagmamahal nila sa'yo. It just means that they may not be there physically, pero mararamdaman mo na may magsusupport sa'yo emotionally and spiritually.
Wow.
It's the worst when you're the one who got left behind.
After learning about Catherine's story, when I walked around the streets of Tacloban after that, I saw everyone in a new light. I saw them not just as ordinary people, but as survivors. And I wondered to myself, how is it that they could lose so much, but still find the will to live, or find a reason to keep going? And how is it that they could be dealt such an unfair hand in life, but still look forward to tomorrow? So
Yeah.
maybe I thought the answer could lie in the history of Leyte.
I love that she's so
Wow.
hands-on. I love that she's so hands-on. I love it.
She really is.
Given the chance to represent the culture of the Philippines
Look at that.
internationally, authenticity was a really important thing to me. So we consulted different historians, and also we were able to have a conversation with a Filipino artist, Sir Dante.
Ako si Dante Inage, isang local artist dito sa Tacloban. Ang pattern na nasa dibdib ay nagre-represent ng
Comment down below if you want me to draw that on Yani.
nasa may dibdib din na tinatawag na pagasi or lotus flower.
Lotus flower.
Well, that looks more like a sun to me.
Ang aming mga ninuno ay may mga marka sa katawan. Ngunit sa paglipas ng panahon, ang sinong ng pagtatato ay unti-unting naglalaho. Pero ang pagiging ng dirigma ay nananalitay sa aming mga dugo.
Oh, so that's the
Oh.
costume now. Oh, so that's the bodice. The
For
bodysuit.
the main body of CATRIONA Gray Katsu, I was inspired for Pintados Festival. A warrior. It's a female version of warrior.
Oh, female portrait of a warrior. There's a lot of history in my country that I don't even know about.
Leyte, to research the patterns, the details, and then
That's a beautiful pattern.
transform
Yeah.
into a modern version of warriors.
Wow.
Oh, so that's it.
Oh
Mas
my
naisip ko
goodness.
kasi pag naiintindihan mo yung designs at saka inspiration.
Oh, so that's why they
That's
uploaded this video
amazing.
after, because they show the dress.
Right.
Pagkata talaga, pag ma-witness mo talaga na kung saan galing yung concept ng designs mo.
Such a
Yeah.
beautiful. Because she is a warrior too.
Yeah.
She's fighting for. Oh yeah, traditional.
That's the traditional way. I hate that. I don't like that.
After this trip and just hearing all the stories.
My friend Eric actually just got a tattoo in the Philippines, traditionally made. I saw his Instagram story. Hi Eric.
Everyone falls down, everyone suffers disappointment, regret. But it's really about what makes you step back up again. What gives you the push.
She has a
to keep
very
going.
big heart. Oh my
She has a
gosh.
huge heart.
There's a warrior inside all of us.
Aw.
And there's a warrior inside Filipinos.
It just makes me smile. Look at this. I can't stop smiling. Yes!
Oh,
The
that's
video making me
beautiful.
proud.
That's beautiful because it makes you look at things on a very under a very different light, because it's so true. Especially here, we complain about, oh my god, the elevator is so slow.
Oh my god, I hate
Like
that.
so
I
many
hate
people,
that.
guys, you have no idea. In
You
our
have no idea
building.
in this Western culture.
This is the problem
Oh my
in
gosh.
Western culture, that the elevators are too slow and the traffic is too.
And this is why I love traveling, because the only experience other people's pain and suffering or their culture if you immerse yourself into that culture.
Yeah.
And through that, you won't be able to be racist because you get to know everybody.
Yeah.
So, actually, that's a good point that Fabio pointed out. When I went home this year, it reminded me how different life in two different worlds, you know?
It's not very good English, but yes, I think I understood. Yeah. It makes you see life in a very different way.
Yes.
And that's what I loved about traveling too. I went to many different countries. I've traveled a lot, and I was so lucky to meet so many different cultures.
Yeah.
And become friends with so many different people. So
And that's what Catriona did here. She
What she
traveled
did-
all the Philippines.
yeah, what she did is, I think, is so beautiful.
Yeah.
The costume is perfect for her because you can tell she's a warrior. Even in this competition, she's a warrior.
Yeah, she is.
So I'm curious. And look, I think those are all the
the
drawing
symbols,
around.
the drawers around, yeah.
Yeah, so
It's amazing. And
beautiful.
I feel like in the past, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I feel like in the past, the previous Miss Universe contestants or Miss Philippines, they only draw attention from one culture in the Philippines or one type of event.
that I
And I
don't
feel
know.
like Catriona changed it. Like she went beyond different cultures and different cities and town in the Philippines. So it's good. She featured everything. It's like, oh, you want Philippines? I'm gonna give you all of Philippines. That's
Yep.
what she said. So that's
That's
good.
beautiful. Very happy. I'm very curious to see the
It's
next
making me
video as
proud.
well.
I know.
And
Oh, Mindanao, because that's my culture. I'm from
isn't
that
it this
region.
one? So why do you speak
Visaya?
Vinyasa?
Vinyasa.
Yoga Vinyasa.
The Visaya and Mindanao kind of speak the same language. They all
So
have
what are
different
you?
dialects.
So let's predict, because Manila or the Luzon was the Christmas and all the colors, decoration.
We are the tribal.
Then this was
The
the warriors.
the tribal, the jewelry that she was wearing, that's what she said that from my region. So there's a lot of jewelry, gold. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but
You were born there. Like, you should know. Ignorant.
anyway, you know what? It's this is good that I'm showing Fabio this because it's nice to see the reaction of a foreigner. What Philippines actually is. There's a lot of colorful culture that we all still have yet to discover. Is that
Yeah.
correct English?
No, it's terrible English still.
Anyway,
You're colorblind, you will never find the color.
wow.
Seeing red or green is the same thing for you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want more updated versions. If you want more update for Miss Universe. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.